welcome to VILOHIT channel. My name is VILOHIT San. I am studying 4th class. Today we are going to make smiley man. I think all know Superman, Batman, Iron Man. So we are making a smiley man. Okay. For making smiley man, we need pencil, glue, eraser, scissors, CD, marker, scale and one colored paper or white paper, size A4 sheet. Okay, Violet, let's start the video. First we will take A4 sheet and we will take CD and keep on the paper and we will trace the CD with marker or pencil. I am taking marker for tracing. Okay. Now we will cut the circle with the help of scissors. Now we will keep the paper aside and we will take the circle and we will draw mouth first. Okay. Like this we will draw a mouth. And inside the mouth we will draw a small tongue. See, like this. Now we will draw eyes. Okay. Oval shape we will draw. Okay, like this. See, like this. And inside the oval shape we will draw a small eyeball. And we will color the eyeball with the help of marker. And we will draw top of the eyes a small eyebrow. Okay. Then we completed the face. Now we will keep the face aside and take the paper. Now we will take scale. We will draw 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, like 3 strips we will draw. We will measure 1 centimeter. Okay? Like this. First we will mark it, then we will draw a line, then we will cut it. Okay, like this. We will draw like this. Okay, we will now cut the strips. We will now cut the strips. This will cut. Okay, like this strip, we will cut the other strips also. Now we will keep this paper aside. Now we got 3 strips. We will keep 2 strips aside. Then we will take 1 strip. We will divide the 1 strip into half. See, like this. Then we will cut with scissors. Now we will take 1 finger gap. With the index finger, we will take 1 finger gap. See, like this. We will put the index finger on the paper, corner of the paper. Then we will mark 1 index finger and we will fold like this. Like this, we will fold. See, you can see like this. We mark here with the pencil now. We will fold. And again we will fold like this, like this. Okay, like this we will fold. Okay, we folded the one strip. Now we will fold another strip also. Okay, we folded two strips. Finally, we made the smiley man's hands. Now we will take with two strips. Again, in the hands I told take index finger and put on the paper. Now for big strip also like that. Only we should measure with the index finger. Okay. Again we will fold like that only. We did the legs also. Now we will keep these two legs aside. Now we will take the waste paper and we will draw on the paper a oval shape with the marker. See, like this we will cut. Like this, and we will color inside the oval shape with the help of marker. See, like this. Okay, we will do another one also like this. Okay. Next, we will draw sleeping oval shapes. Like this we will draw. See, like this. And we will color inside the oval shapes with marker. Okay, we should draw like this. Now we will cut the oval shapes. Like this. See, like this we will draw. See, like this. We will cut the another one also like that. Okay. See, like this. For what we are cutting, for legs and hands we are cutting. For hands we finally cut it. We will keep these two aside. Now we will cut legs. Okay, we finally cut the legs and hands. Now we will keep this four aside and take smiley man's face. Now we will keep gum near the smiley man's mouth. Here, this is smiley man's face. We will move and we will put gum here near the mouth. This is the mouth. Near it we will put. And the side also like this. Now we will take the big strips. We folded now big strips for legs. That strips we will take. Now we will stick. Do not open the strips. We will put like this only on the smiley man's face. Okay, press slowly. Okay, like this, press slowly. Now another one strip also you take. Okay, like this you take and keep it on the gum and press. Then slowly open. How it is? It is zigzag shape. It is in zigzag shape. We'll open this also slowly. Wow, it's wonderful. We did. The smiley man got legs. He's enjoying. But he didn't got hands. Now we will give the smiley man hands. We'll put hands. Now take hands. This. Now put the gun near eyes. Okay, near eyes. Like this. Like this. And put the like this. Other strip also will put on the gun. This. Now we will slowly open this hand. Okay. Then the smiley man got hands also. Now he can enjoy. He can run. Okay, he can sit. See how he's enjoying? Okay. Now take the oval shapes that we did before. These oval shapes. Then from this 4 oval shapes, take 2 oval shapes. Now take glue and keep corner of the hand, corner of the smiley man hand, a small dot of Fevicol. Then take 1 oval shape and stick corner of the smiley man's hand. Okay. Then other corner side also of the smiley man's hand, we will keep a small dot of Fevicol. Okay. Now we will keep another hand, corner of the smiley man's hand, 1 oval shape. Now we will take another 2 oval shapes and take gum and keep corner of the smiley man's small dot of Fevicol, corner of the smiley man's legs. Okay. Then we will take the 2 oval shapes and keep corner of the smiley man's leg. Okay, this. Then see, we should keep like this. Our smiley man is ready. You can keep hangings. Smiley man hangings. Now I will tell for hanging smiley man, you should draw a U shape on the paper. You will keep the smiley man aside and take the paper and draw U shape. All know how to write U shape. Like this. Then we will draw like this. See, you can see now? Like this. Then we color black color inside the. I will take sketch. My marker is over. Okay. We should draw black color inside the U shape. Okay, like this. Now we will cut the U shape with the help of scissors. This. Okay, we got U shape. Now we will keep this paper aside and take the smiley man. Now we will take this U shape and back of this smiley man we will keep two dots like this. Then we will take the U shape and stick the corner of the head. Okay, like this, like this. Okay, finally our smiley man is ready. He is looking very stylish. Okay, I think all are enjoying to see the new smiley man at home. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye bye.